Hello everyone, greetings for the day. Welcome back to another tutorial on SQL. This is Srinath Mukamalla and you are watching the latest tutorial on SQL. Today we are going to learn about SQL OR operator. OR operator displays a record if any of the conditions operated by OR is true. And you can see the syntax below. Let's go to the SQL server and verify the same. So these are the values which are there in this table. So let me put a where condition now. I'll just copy this where serial number I equal to 1. I'll give or city. Instead of Chennai I'll give Bangalore. So here for serial number 1 is true but city is not Chennai, but in fourth row city is Bangalore. It is true but serial number is not 1. So these two rows will be executed. Let me run this now. See, these two rows has been executed. Any of the one condition is true, then that rows will be executed. I hope you understand the video. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for seeing the video. Bye.